Ah,
Hello, good evening.
wait,
Wait. Can you
I'm
turn
using
on
earphones.
can you turn on your camera, please?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, don't use avatar.
Why?
Because I need to see. I need to see your looks.
Aduh,
Oh, what are you drinking? Is it tea?
water.
Water? Just water.
Aduh, cekukan.
Ha, cekukan. You know cekukan in English? Hiccups. Yeah, yeah. Hiccups. Hiccups. Cekukan. It's okay. So besides cekukan, are you fine today? How are you?
My feet hurts.
Your feet hurts. Why?
Hari ini wushu.
Why?
Today I wushu.
Today you are
Wushu.
wushu. Oh, you doing wushu at your school?
School.
Extracurricular?
As extracurricular.
Wow. Are you good at it?
No.
No. Since when you do wushu?
Dari kelas 1.
Since first grade dari kelas 1. Wow. Now you are fifth,
Fourth.
fourth. Oh my God. So it's been 4 years, 3 years.
Ya, four.
So how many apa ya? Jurus. How many jurus did you learn?
I know, 20.
20.
Sudah pakai golok. Sudah pakai golok.
Oh, you should use machete golok kayak gitu.
Nama Shadi.
Oh ya. Okay.
I'm Shadi, what do you mean?
You should
I'm using captions. I'm using captions.
okay. Wushu did Wushu use hands and feet too?
Yes.
Okay. So it's been kicking and striking, punching
Not really, no.
like that.
Most of it golok.
Most
Most
of
of it is machetes or what's this called? Or kipas angin.
Oke. Pakai tongkat nggak dia? Kayak tongkat gitu nggak?
Only
No,
one person. Only one.
only 1%. Okay. Does Wushu have like steps, like grades?
Yes.
Yes. So which grade are you?
Level 3.
Le-
Bukan level 3. Level 5 lebih.
Level 5?
Five more, I think. 5 more.
How about your friends? What's the average there in your school? Rata-rata-
The maximal is level 20.
Maximum is 20. Wow. So you kinda used to
Mm,
it.
So I'm kind of used to it. So I'm already level 10.
Ah, You
I
do it
can do it.
what?
I can do it.
Salto.
Bisa salto.
You can
I can't backflip, but I
backflip.
can itu bisa roll.
Oh,
I can
roll.
roll.
Okay. Okay.
See,
Good.
what's it called? Yang kayak gini?
Yeah.
Yang pakai
I know.
tangan
I know.
terus.
Handstand.
No, not headset. Kayak orang terus
Oh yeah. I know.
What is it called?
Ya kayak salto sih.
Almost.
Mhm. Almost.
Wait. Mami, ada yang telepon. Ada yang telepon. Namanya Hindra Orb.
Okay. So Evan, last time, last time we've been creating some stories for your games, right? Okay. Now today we will link up every stories that you make into a like
Boleh.
Into
Mister,
like,
aku sama makannya, Mister.
oh ya boleh boleh. Sure. Jadi hari ini kita bakal link up story kamu supaya menjadi satu kesatuan. For example, you will make like decisions.
Decisions.
Decisions, yes. Misalnya di game kamu itu kalau ke A nanti outputnya apa? Kalau ke B nanti outputnya apa? Like that. You will make that. Okay? Right. So I'm gonna share my screen.
Mau makan.
So turning a story into a game. Last time we learned how to make a story. Yeah. And then we also learn about script writer and narrative designer. Ada penulis skrip dan juga desainer naratif. Ya, maybe you remember about fantasy binomial. Ya, you will set a goal, choose the words from your games, dua kata yang mewakili games kamu, and then all the possible combination, and you will think about what kind of story this could be. Game seperti apa yang kamu buat kayak minggu lalu. Last Thursday, kamu juga belajar tentang game lore dan juga setting. Okay. So today we will create how to make a story playable. Bagaimana membuat cerita yang sudah kamu buat itu menjadi bisa dimainkan. Oke. Tapi kita nggak bermain kayak game. We're not playing like games. We will playing like decisions. Oke.
Well, like Minecraft story mode in
Minecraft story
Netflix.
modes, Netflix, kind of like that. Oke. So like I said earlier, seperti yang kakak bilang tadi pada awal, hari ini bakal tentang choice, pilihan.
Voice.
Yes, pilihan. Misalnya kamu di Call of Duty ya. Di Call of Duty misalnya kamu eh, ada pilihan nggak? Ada disuruh milih nggak gitu?
A certain time.
At certain time. Like every decisions that you make will create the different output, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's a similar thing. The choice is one of the most effective ways to engage a player in game.
Sometimes it's based on your actions.
Yeah, based on your action, based on your choice. So do you always make a really important choices in your real life? What about it? Maybe do you always make a really important choices in your real life?
Sometimes.
Hmm, you don't know about it?
Some sometimes if there's like a red button, sometimes I want to press it.
I'm gonna give you an example. Mungkin like maybe like today, hari
Yeah.
ini kamu pengen makan apa? Apakah pengen makan bakso atau nasi goreng?
Ooh,
It's a
wait,
choice, right?
that's hard. I like both. I really like both of them.
Mhm.
Uh,
Bakso,
Nasgor, nasi goreng.
nasi goreng. So,
Karena enggak, baso.
bakso. Why?
Karena nasi goreng aku bisa makan setiap hari. Karena
Nas-
dimasakin sama om saya.
So you choose bakso for nasi goreng, and you give the reason. Kamu kasih alasan why you choose bakso.
Ya.
Dan itu juga yang akan kita bikin hari ini. Kamu pilih output dari game kamu nanti seperti apa, choicesnya apa aja, what kind of
Which
choices. Mm.
I know. I know. Do you want to save? Do you want
Dan
to save?
mm, dan reasonnya di balik choices itu juga bakal berbeda-beda. Outputnya, reasonnya, alasannya berbeda-beda. Oke. Sebenarnya not at all of the choices we make. Hello? Check, check, check.
Mm. Yes.
Yeah, I think my Zoom is crashed. So never mind. I'm gonna share my screen
Udah,
again.
Ya.
heboh.
Bukan. Tadi itu. Tadi nge-freeze terus aku dikeluarin.
Okay. So in games, every choice is important and can affect the development of the story.
1999 in the forest.
Mhm. Like I said today, misalnya you go into the forest and you find this food, ya, ada berries sama
I will
ada
eat a berry.
you will eat
I
a
will eat
berry.
berries.
And then if you eat the
Which are not
berry,
good for health.
if you eat the berry and then what happened? If you eat the roots, what happened then?
I know what will happen if you eat the roots.
Why? What will
The
happen?
player will die. And then
What?
a bear will eat them.
Okay. So it's like we will make choices in an application called Twine.
Application. Twine.
Twine. Have you downloaded?
Twine. No.
Have you downloaded in your laptop?
No.
No? Really? Okay, so the first thing to do, I need you to download it on your laptop. The
Yes,
application.
yep.
Mhm. Twine. Just search it.
I need to share my screen nggak sih itu mah?
No. You can do it by yourself. Kamu bisa install aplikasi kan?
Okay. And I can wait. Is it called Twine?
Twine.
Twine?
Twine.
T W I T W I N apa? N E.
Yes.
Twine. Found it.
Kamu bisa install sendiri kan?
Makan apa? Makan apa? Makan apa? Let's go.
Oh, biar nggak
Ini hari ini kamu jawab ini. Okay, I found Twine, but I don't know which one Twine is. Is it Twine? Hittips.com. I'm just gonna share my screen. I'm just gonna share my
Okay,
screen.
let's go.
I just shared my screen.
Yes, Twine, an open source.
This one?
The first one, yes. The first one.
Done.
You can use in
It
your
needs to be done.
browser or you can download it. But it takes time if you download it, just use in your browser then.
Press it.
Use in
Mister,
your
makan dong.
browser. Okay, good. Silahkan. Okay, let's go. Skip.
I'm eating chicken with chicken.
Chicken with chicken.
Good.
Okay, so leave it all here, okay? Leave it all here. So your twine is ready. Okay. So I'm gonna share my screen again and present you something.
Okay.
Bum, bum, bum. Oke, sampai di mana tadi ya? Okay, so in Twine, we will create like a plot structure. Ada struktur plot cerita kamu. So what are the stages in most of the plots? Most of the plots of or the most of the story consists of 3 acts. Ada 3 bagian nih. Yang pertama itu beginning atau permulaan. And then the middle, pertengahan. And then the end. Akhirnya seperti apa? Beginning, beginning itu consists of exposition and conflict ya. Exposition itu kayak you tell a story about your karakter utamanya, protagonisnya. Kamu ceritain karakternya itu seperti ini loh. Tapi by
Karakter
text.
utamanya Ghost.
Okay. And then you set a
I
conflict.
don't want him to die.
And then you set the conflict of the story.
What is conflict? What is conflict?
Conflict is like a problem. Masalahnya di game ini apa sih? Problem utamanya. Apakah dia berperang supaya apa, gitu. And then the middle one, the middle part, is rising action. Is going to the climax, okay? Is going to the climax.
What is climax?
Climax
What's
is
climax?
climax is like puncak keseruannya gitu. Puncak keseruannya.
Oh,
And then the third part is the end. How the games or the story is ended. Outputnya juga bakal berbeda-beda sesuai dengan choices yang kamu setting tadi. Apakah good ending, apakah bad ending, something like that. Okay, so this is the structure. You can use ChatGPT to generate a story based on if you do not specify your story structure, okay? Misalnya beginning di game kamu bisa suruh GPT, tolong aku bikinin dong exposition untuk story aku nih, gitu. Oke, sampai sini ada yang mau tanyakan dulu? You have anything to ask?
no.
Not really? Okay. So, the second one is our storyline, the climax. So, at the climax stage, a player makes crucial decisions. Decision yang sangat penting, yang krusial, yang menentukan arah ending dari sebuah cerita tersebut. Okay. So this will make like a different resolution and different endings too. Like I said, you will create a bad ending or a good ending. Okay. So it will be different choices, maybe like 2 choices, 3 choices, 4 choices. And every choices will make consequence. Setiap pilihan pasti ada konsekuensi. Pasti ada output yang berbeda-beda. Gitu. Okay. So this is the example. Ini adalah contohnya. Even description-nya itu adalah the protagonist learns the whole truth about why they try to forget about the Book of the Winds. Jadi ini ceritanya. Ya. Kemudian ini adalah deskripsinya, description dari sebuah event tersebut. So this is the example of between good event description and bad event description. Okay. The good event description is more detailed. It's more detail about the stories, and the bad one is more generic.
More like short.
More like short, yes. Okay, so you can create prompt to generate a storyline for the climax stage. Just use ChatGPT again. You can ask ChatGPT to rewrite the climax of the story. Okay, you will use the table again. ChatGPT, please write me the story, the limitation, the topic, kayak gitu. Okay, so this is the storylines yang bakal kamu buat. Jadi setiap arah ya, every direction, every steps you make will create something. Will create something new. Every decisions, every choices. And then okay, so this is the template. This is the template how you get a short description about the scene. Jadi bakal ada scene, dan ini ada short description-nya. Dan ini ada template-nya juga. Template-nya itu kayak gini. Misalnya scene number pertama nih, the plot stage atau lokasinya. Lokasinya ada di City of Ethereum, Ancient Library, and then the characters, you state the specific character, karakternya ada siapa saja di situ, dan juga topik dan eventnya apa yang mereka lakukan di situ, mereka tujuannya ngapain, dan juga every scene itu saling berkaitan dengan scene selanjutnya. Ya, jadi cerita pertama akan berkaitan dengan scene atau cerita kedua. Begitu juga selanjutnya sampai dia ketemu decision yang harus mereka pilih dan berlanjut sampai ceritanya ending gitu. Oke. And then we'll creating a diagram in Miro again, Evan. So, apa yang akan kamu buat? Yang kamu buat adalah description tadi. Kayak scene-nya, story stage, location, karakter, topik, dan even description ya. Tapi tenang aja, kamu pakai ChatGPT untuk generate apa aja yang bisa kamu isi di dalam setiap scene itu. Oke? You ready? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes. You ready? Let's go.
Yes,
We will
sir.
create some some work in Miro. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, in Miro kan?
Miro.
In Miro.
Miro.com.
Go to ChatGPT.
Not
Go to
ChatGPT.
ChatGPT.
Miro.com.
Oke. Salah.
Miro
Miro.
is Miro.
No, I salah ketik. There. Miro, bro.
Miro.com.
I think it's lagging. Nah, there it is. I'm in Miro.
Oke. Sekarang bikin board baru. Blank board baru. Yes, there you go. Oke, sekarang kamu siapin dulu beberapa event description, beberapa apa namanya? Not
Where do I put
di
this?
X aja. X aja.
Hmm?
Just close it.
What do you mean X?
Mm-mm.
Close what?
Close.
This? Okay, close it.
Oke, bikin sticky
Now what?
notes. Kita bikin sticky notes.
Sudah, aku mau tambah makanan dulu, terus aku tadi siang aku mau makan.
Boleh.
I'll be right back.
Oke. Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Mister, I'm back.
Oke. So I give you the
I want to use
uh,
my headphones first.
okay,
Let me
so
start.
I sudah kasih di chat Zoom apa aja yang kamu buat di ChatGPT dan kamu tuliskan di Miro. Kamu bisa lihat.
Okay, chat.
Jadi situ ada template ya. Kamu minta GPT tolong dong bikinin template.
Template. Oke.
Mhm.
Jadi aku kerja GPT sekarang.
Yes.
Hmm.
Tentang cerita kamu dan be spesifik.
Got chat GPT. I'm pressing it. I'm pressing it. It cannot. It won't.
Why?
I don't know. See? Oh, it's
It's still
loading.
loading. It's still loading. Jadi kamu udah tahu apa yang mau kamu tulis ke ChatGPT?
I don't know. About something lah. I don't know. I want the story to be about a war.
Ya, jadi kamu akan generate scene. Misalnya scene pertama ngapain, scene kedua ngapain, scene ketiga ngapain. Bikin 3 scene dulu aja. Oh, still loading.
I don't know. I want to join. Let's see. Oh my
Maybe
god, man.
you can try another AI, maybe Gemini.
Hmm?
Kayaknya memang ChatGPT-nya lagi error. Kakak, aku juga nggak bisa masuk ke ChatGPT.
See?
Yes, Google Gemini.
Ah.
Same thing.
Hmm?
Oke, now kamu akan buat scene, ya. Kamu akan buat scene seperti template yang kakak kasih di chat Zoom. Ada scene number, ada location, character, theme, dan juga event description ya.
Okay, I'm going to chat. So choice 1. Oh, scene. I don't know which one the scene 1 and scene 2 and blah blah blah. There's a
Okay.
scene 6, scene 7.
Just make like a 3 scenes
Which one?
first. Kamu bikin
Okay.
3 scene dulu aja.
Oh, di sini.
Mhm.
Is it this one?
Yes.
Ah. So I make it like this.
Yes.
So scene pertama kayak gitu.
Yes, betul. Scene pertama misalnya di mana menurut kamu? Oke, jadi gini, nulisnya gini. Create
Create. Salah.
Oke, aku ini aja, aku screenshot dan aku kirim di chat Zoom ya.
Create.
Wait. Oke, aku kirim di chat Zoom. Lagi ada itu dia. Di chat Zoom kamu coba lihat.
This one?
Yes. Create a semantic description of the story scene.
This one?
Yes.
Okay. Action. Create. So I just write here.
Yes.
So you write that's everything that's here.
Betul. Yes.
Okay. So the action create apa tadi? Create
Create a semantic
a sk-
Hmm.
schematic. Create a schematic scene.
semantic description.
Huh?
Description.
Schematic description. 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 It's of this of
Of the story scene.
the roof.
Hmm.
Scene. Mhm. Behalf
On behalf of the player. On behalf of the
Hmm.
player.
Okay, there you go. Oh, player.
Mhm. Okay, next one.
Now limitation. Huh?
Yes. Titik dulu.
Titik.
Titik. Tulis lagi an example.
An example.
Mhm.
Example.
Of
That's
semantic
not how you write
scene
exam.
description.
Wait, is that? No, that's not how you spell example.
Example.
Of
Of a semantic scene description.
a
Semantic. Schematic.
schematic or
Yes.
schematic.
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 Scene. Scene. Scene.
S. What do you mean?
SC.
Scene kan?
Iya
Oh,
benar. SCNE.
Scene.
Description.
Description.
Pakai P. Description.
This one?
Pakai P. Description. Description. Deskripsi. Description.
Salah.
Hmm. Descriptions. Oke, there you go.
Descriptions.
Oke, titik dua. Titik dua. Scene number. Scene number.
Scene number 1.
Scene
Right?
number, comma.
Comma.
The plot stage. The plot stage.
Stage
based on,
based on
yes, based.
based on based based
On, based on
based on
the three act structure.
the
Tiga,
three
based on three,
betul,
tiga, three, yes. Act, ACT,
actions.
act structure. Act structure, not action.
Huh?
Act structure.
Extract a structure.
Act, ACT, structure.
ACT
Spasi structure.
spasi structure.
Oke, koma lagi. Hmm, Structure. Koma lagi.
Salah bukan itu.
Koma, terus stating specific location.
Stating
Specific location.
specific location.
Hmm. Kemudian stating specific character, koma, stating specific character. Character.
Character.
Character, yes. Hmm. Character. Koma,
Care. Koma.
koma, topik. Topik,
Topic.
yes.
Topik.
And then event description. Koma, event description.
Even.
Koma,
Koma. Even.
description.
Description.
Description, kayak yang di atas tuh. Description. 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 Oh my God, you have a mixed typing issue. Description. Nah, there you go. Description. Description.
I have problem.
Oke,
I have a
titik.
problem.
Titik.
Problem. Titik.
Oke, last one is about the topic. Kamu tulis here is the text of the story.
I have a problem with typing.
Okay, you can practice it. Text of the story. Oke, sekarang spasi Terus kutip 2, spasi, kutip 2, petik 2,
Terus
petik 2.
lakuin.
Petik 2 itu
Cuk.
sebelah enter itu. Sebelah kiri enter. It's like this.
Kiri. This one?
Petik. Tanda petik. Tanda petik. Yes.
Oh, yang di sebelah mana?
Sebelah enter ya. Sebelah kiri
I
enter.
don't have enter. I don't have
What?
enter.
What? Oke, kamu lihat di
This is a
chat.
Mac. This is an Apple MacBook.
Yeah.
This is an app.
Uh,
Okay, I will see in chat.
yes, lihat di chat.
I am see. Oh, that
Quote mark.
this one. But I can't. I don't know. Oh, I haven't pressed this. There you go.
Oke. Nah, di dalam kutip itu, di dalam quote mark itu, kamu ceritain story atau cerita scene pertama kamu. Scene pertama si Ghost tadi.
Ghost wakes up to a battle.
Oke, boleh. Kamu ceritain aja. Kamu ceritain ke game ini. Ceritanya be spesifik ya. Hmm. 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 Hmm.
I'm very specific here.
Oke. Good, good. Hmm. Hmm.
With a bandage. Done. And then,
Dan kalau sudah dan,
yes.
kamu quote mark lagi, petik 2 lagi.
Hmm.
Oke, and then enter. Kirim, send it.
I don't have an return.
Ya, ya, situ. Kirim, kirim. Ya, there you go.
Ah, there you go. Ah,
Okay. You can scroll down to see.
okay.
Oke. Nah, jadi ini adalah scene pertama kamu. Scene pertama di cerita kamu. Kamu bisa copy and paste.
Paste. Okay, right here. Okay, jadi from sini. Okay,
Mhm.
copy and paste. Where's the
Copy,
copy?
paste-nya di Miro tadi.
Okay, jadi I pick this.
Yes. Kopinya. Paste-nya di mana? Miro. Nah, itu dia cara membuat scene, Evan.
Oh, wait, I need to make this larger.
Oke, good.
No, sorry.
Nanti
Okay,
dia,
so I paste it
nanti
here.
dia paste.
Hey, where's the paste?
Just click on the thing. Klik,
What
klik,
thing?
klik sticky note-nya aja.
I'm going back. Copy. I already copied it.
Oke, sticky note-nya diklik sekali aja. Nah, tinggal di paste.
Ah,
There you go. Oke, good, 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 good. Nah, itu dia caranya Evan bikin scene ya. Jadi scene-nya
can I delete this? Can I delete this part? I'm to delete this part.
boleh, boleh.
There.
Oke. Sekarang kita buat satu scene lagi yuk. Setelah dia bangun, apa yang terjadi? Setelah dia wrapping his arm with bandage, kita bikin scene keduanya. Kembali lagi ke Gemini. Go back to Gemini again. Halo? Come on, man. Halo, sorry. Nah, Evan. Tadi itu Evan bikin scene pertama nih. Nah, Evan kalau mau bikin scene keduanya, ya, Evan bisa langsung aja. Evan di sini klik dulu. Oke. Sekarang Evan copy sampai di sini doang. Copy sampai di situ doang. Sampai story. Nah, oke, paste di sini.
I haven't copied that.
Oke.
Eh, salah, bukan itu. Salah, bukan itu juga.
Sampai di story.
That.
Oke.
What?
Kopinya di tempat Evan ngoblok.
Sini. Eh,
Sampai story. Story bawah.
where is the story?
Oke. Sampai story.
Tenang. Kayak gini aja deh, Mas.
Bisa nggak?
Emang bisa. The
Oke.
copy.
Nah, copy.
Copy that.
Paste di sini. Sekarang Evan ceritain lagi scene keduanya itu kayak gimana sih?
Eh, salah. Bukan ini salah.
Cancel, cancel.
Cancel it.
Cancel it.
There you go.
Nah, selanjutnya kutip dua lagi. Kutip dua lagi. Evan ceritain scene keduanya apa yang terjadi.
Hmm.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm. Alright.
Kalau tadi Ghost wake up sudah.
What?
When he woke up, kan tadi Ghost sudah kayak bla 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 kayak gitu.
Mm-mm.
I want to know like he already lost like so many allies.
Boleh.
When Ghost wakes up, no, after
After he
after
wrapped,
he finds
after,
after he after a medic wrapped his arm in a bandage,
yes.
he woke he woke and then he found out that he lost so many a lot of allies.
Oke, boleh.
After Ghost. After
Hmm.
salah. Medic. After a medic healed his. Can I say just healed his arm because that's kind of just the same.
Ya, boleh. Hmm.
That's how you spell healed.
Healed.
Oh yeah. Healed. How do you spell healed? Held deh gak sih?
Healed. LED.
Healed.
LED.
Mm,
There you go.
there you go. Healed.
Hmm.
No. Ano to? Every time. Arm. Ghost. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand it up.
Stand up. Stand up aja nggak apa-apa kok. It's not standed up.
Stand it.
The verb to is stood up. Tapi stand up bener kok. Not standard. Stand aja.
Stand
Oke.
up
Jadi verb dari stand itu
and
adalah
finds out
Hmm.
and finds out that
What is gunned?
gunned means like the allies is getting gunned down by the enemy. And they're like over.
Tertembak.
The enemies have ketembak.
Tertembak is shot.
Gun down artinya gun down itu artinya kayak banyak orang sudah ditembak.
Been
Like his
shot.
allies have been
Been
a
shot,
lot.
not been gunned.
Many of his allies have been gunned down. Gun down itu artinya itu loh. Apa sih? I don't understand how to explain it.
Tertembak
Have been
maksudnya
gunned down.
tertembak apa?
Gun down itu kayak gun down itu kayak they kill like a lot of people, like almost like half the army. That's what it means.
Diancam.
Kan?
Maksudnya kayak gimana sih
Down.
diancam?
It's almost like being shot down. But
Okay.
instead of shut down itu kadang-kadang kan itu masih hidup. Kalau gun down mah itu kayak beneran sudah mati.
No, it's been shot.
That's
It's same thing.
being shot kadang-kadang itu masih hidup. Gun down itu artinya kalau the enemy uses like a machine gun.
Okay.
Machine gun is like a gun, but that's huge.
Okay, let's continue.
Gun down or exploded because in a way.
Explode.
How does how you spell explode?
Exploded.
Exploded by the enemy.
By the enemy.
I want to make it even longer. Sorry. I
Okay,
meant it to be an E.
nggak apa-apa.
Enemy.
Dikit-dikit dulu aja.
An enemy.
Oke. Sudah? Apa mau lagi?
No, masih lagi. One more. He tried to help. But I'm writing a sad story, okay? It was too late. Titik.
Jangan lupa
Salah.
petik dua lagi. Oke, there you go.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, submit.
So, nanti kamu ganti jadi act number 2 atau scene number 2 ya. Oke. Copy and paste again di Miro.
Miro.
Copy dulu jangan lupa.
Paste. I already copied.
Nah, kopinya, kamu bikin sticky note baru. Sticky note baru.
I'm gonna make it yellow. There.
Oke. Paste lagi.
Paste.
Klik sekali aja. Nah, there you go. Nah, jangan lupa diganti act 2. Act 2 atau scene 2. Yang di atas yang pertama itu.
This one?
Oke. Nah, sekarang kita mau belajar nyambungin dari X1 nyambung ke X2 nih, Evan. Oke. Hmm. Hmm.
Oke, nomor 2.
Oke. Nah, sekarang Evan, sticky note ini Evan geser sedikit ke kanan.
Oke.
Geser sedikit ke kanan.
This
Nah,
one.
oke. Kita mau nyambungin kayak bikin panah gitu, supaya dari X1 itu nyambung ke X2. Nah, caranya Evan, caranya, sekarang Evan klik sticky note yang pertama,
Oke, udah.
klik dulu. Nah, sini ada titik nih, ada titik.
Mhm.
Mm-mm. Nah, situ Evan bisa sambungin tuh. There you go. Jadi itu caranya ya. Cara untuk nyambungin setiap scene yang Evan buat. Jadi, nanti di
Ya.
dalam story itu, ini cuma contoh doang ya. Ini cuma contoh doang. Jadi nanti di dalam story itu, Evan, di dalam story itu Evan banyak banget scene-nya. Bisa ratusan, bisa ribuan bahkan. Ya. Tapi ini cuma permulaan doang, cuma contoh doang. Cara gampangnya yaitu dengan membuat sticky note kayak gini, terus disambung-sambungin. Kayak setiap scene, kalau scene-nya eh, nyambung kemana, dia decision-nya ada 2 decision mungkin, ada 3 decision, maka dia akan bercabang ya, kayak gitu. Oke. Next one, I will share my screen again. This is the last part of our lesson today. Alright, I will share my screen.
Oke.
Oke, jadi setelah kita eh, bikin yang namanya storyline, ya menggunakan Miro tadi. Selanjutnya kita akan bikin menggunakan Twine. Kita akan bikin dengan aplikasi yang namanya Twine. Oke. Nah, jadi seperti yang like I said before, every story is consists of 3 main thing. First one is the beginning, and then the middle, and then the end. So, for example, this is the characteristic of beginning stage. The player is given information about what needs to be done and why. Kayak Evan cerita tujuan awalnya nih karakter ini ngapain, latar belakang karakternya kayak gitu. Sampai dia understand dan juga complete every quest, every missionnya dia complete. Kemudian kita masuk ke middle. The player performs a series of action that result in either the completion of or failure of the quest. Jadi di middle part itu, di middle stage itu, si pemain ini, nih, si player ini, dia akan bermain gamenya. Okay, I'm sorry again.
Why?
I
Why?
don't know, my internet just keeps shutting down. Sorry. Oke, jadi eh jadi stage-nya itu ada beginning
Oh,
dulu ya, ada beginning dulu. Di beginning ini Evan cerita tentang bagaimana story-nya dibangun, bagaimana latar belakangnya, kayak gitu-gitu. Kemudian di middle part the player performs, pemain itu akan memainkan gamenya Evan, akan eh, memainkan action-action dari gamenya atau story-nya si Evan ini. Dan dia juga akan menyelesaikan, dia akan complete the mission. Ya, apakah mission itu bakal selesai oleh dia dan apakah mission itu bakal nggak selesai sama dia. Kayak gitu. And then
Japanese.
the third part is the ending. So this is a map, ya, contoh mapnya dari choice 1, situation 2. Jadi bakal panjang banget. Setiap cerita itu bisa banyak banget cerita, bisa banyak banget choice-nya, situation-nya, konsekuensinya juga banyak banget.
So many.
So many, benar. Okay, and then last thing I will, ya, ini adalah contoh text games. Text games menggunakan teks doang, tidak menggunakan live action kayak gitu. Jadi karakternya bakal milih atau pemainnya bakal milih Apa yang akan dia tuju? Apa yang akan dia pilih decisionnya? Keputusannya gimana? Ya, kayak gitu ya. And then I will share how to use apa namanya twine. I will show you how to use twine. So basically twine ini adalah aplikasi mirip-mirip Milo juga, mirip-mirip Milo juga ya. Jadi di sini kakak punya aplikasi ya twine. Misalnya kalau kamu mau nambahin cerita baru, tinggal new story aja. Ya, misalnya di sini story kamu, kamu tulis story about ghosts, just create it. Nah, di sini ada kotak-kotak ya. Kotak-kotak sini kamu bisa edit sesuai dengan scene kamu tadi. Sesuai dengan scene kamu tadi. Misalnya kakak mau ubah passage-nya. Jadi scene satu. Nah, di scene 1 ini kamu ceritain lagi tadi tuh. Misalnya ghost wake up and go to battlefield misalnya. Battlefield. Ghost wake up and go to battlefield. Oke. Nah, dia kan tentu
I
dari
just
scene
copy paste.
Mm. Kan tentu dari scene 1 ke scene 2 tuh bakal nyambung ya. Oke. Cara nyambungnya gini, Evan. Cara nyambunginnya pakai kurung yang siku kayak gini. 2 kali. Di depan dan di belakang. Tuh, sampai dia biru kayak gitu. Nah, Evan lihat dia bakal nyambung ke scene 2. Scene 2-nya adalah
Scene
battlefield.
2.
Yes.
Scene 2.
Evan lihat di sini otomatis ya.
Ya.
Otomatis kayak gitu. Bisa juga kalau mau edit lagi. Nah, ini scene battlefield. Scene battlefield-nya ngapain? He sees his friends being gunned down.
Gunned down. We're being gunned down.
He tries to help and fail kayak gitu. Terus habis ini Evan ceritanya pengen ngapain? Evan ceritanya setelah dia melihat temannya, apa yang akan dilakukan si Ghost?
In his feelings is like really mad.
He is really mad and want to search who did
All of this.
all of this. Nah, Evan bisa all of this word misalnya. Evan bisa kurung siku lagi untuk ke scene selanjutnya. Nah, scene war. Nah, otomatis lagi bertambah kayak gitu. Nah,
Why?
untuk melihat ya,
Whoa.
untuk melihat story-nya apa yang sudah terjadi, di sini ada build dan Evan bisa play di sini. Oke, kakak kasih lihat dulu.
Yes.
Oke, ada build, ada
Damn.
play. Ya, kita lihat ya. Jadi kayak gini, Evan. Kita bisa klik nih. Nah, kayak gitu. Oke, get it? You get it, Evan?
Mhm.
Oke. Since you get it, I think you don't need to write it on your twine because our time has ended. Okay. So I need you to go to our course at Algonova. Let's share your screen and we're
Okay.
gonna answer some question.
Question.
Go to Algonova. Just go
Google.
to Algonova. Hmm. Algonova.
Do I really? Oh, never mind. I don't have to sign in. Well, why did it go to here now? Why is it now home? Kenapa sekarang? It's supposed to be English.
Yeah. Soalnya kemarin
What
tuh
happened?
lagi error. Jadi di sementara Indonesia dulu. Gak apa-apa. It's okay. Ya, kita jawab-jawab soal. Clear and meaningful consequences of each choice of the player. Rewrite the story so that climax stage process a problem. It's always the longest one, the answer.
Always, man.
Just check it, okay? Just check it. Okay, there you go. Storyline quest. Just check it. Nah, pakai kurung siku.
This one?
Kurung yang siku-siku. Nah, there you go.
Siku. This one? This one?
Double square brackets. And close double square brackets. There you go. Incorrect hooks, yang salah menurut Evan. Kan sikunya 2 kali tuh tadi tuh. Nah, yang ini 1 nih, game over. Udah 1 doang ya?
No?
No?
Beginning, huh? What do you mean beginning? I don't understand. Continue playing.
Ini nih, yang ini nih, Evan. Yang ini sama yang ini. Soalnya
2,
ada
3.
spasinya.
No, continue. Oh yeah, I knew it.
Oh, 1 lagi ya, boleh?
I knew it.
Iya, jadi 4 ya. Ya, nggak apa-apa. Let's go.
How to run the game testing. Press the run button. What do you mean?
Yang kayak kakak contohin tadi. Yang build, go to the build tab and select the play. Go to build tab and select the play. Nah, there you go.
Okay, this one actually I don't care. Lanjutnya. Bla bla bla. Ya,
Nah, oke. Jadi kalau Evan mau gunain twine ya. Nah, tadi twine. Nah, di sini twine. Di atas ini.
Iya, Staf.
Nah, Evan bisa bikin ceritanya di new. Misalnya cerita tentang apa? Cerita tentang ghost.
Ghost. I know. War for Indonesia.
War for
Like-
Indonesia. Oke, boleh.
Pretend he's like a British man, but he's fighting for the Indonesians.
Oke, great.
No?
Nah, ini nanti Evan bisa tambahin sendiri sesuai scene dan juga decision-nya ya. Gitu. Oke,
Can I do that in the next class?
boleh.
I'm tired.
Boleh. Me too.
Wow.
Okay, so I think that's it for
Oh,
today,
yeah.
Evan. We already do so many things we did today, okay? Apa yang paling kamu ingat hari ini?
Udah.
What
Not
what
really
what are you? Not anything?
Creating the story of Ghost.
Creating
That's all I can remember.
the scene, right?
Yeah, the seats.
Okay, so I think that's it for today,
Okay.
Evan, and I see you again in next Thursday. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Have a good one. Have a good health. Have a good food. Have a good
Bye-bye.
anything. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Yes, then.